Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone, depending on when and where you're watching this video from. So, in this video, I'll guide you through on how to download your SafePal for RideBNB project, investment project. So, follow me closely and pay close attention. I'll be guiding you how to get it on Play Store. You click on search and also how to create your account. So, you go ahead to the search bar and put SafePal. Already I have it here. Look at it. So I'll just click on it, but you type yours here. So I click on it. I already have downloaded it. So you are going to see install here. So mine is showing open because I have installed it. So I will click on open. So this is what you are going to see here. So you are going to click on software wallet. Then you click on create. So you click on create here. You put your pin. So but for your own, it may show you. Okay, let me just go to the next step and see. So I've put my pin and it brought me to this place. So you put any name that you want to name it. So I'll click on continue. So it's creating the wallet. Showing me created. So either take this or this, but please take manual. And write it down. You can also snap it with if you have a second phone and save it on your Google Mail. You understand? Very important. Write it on your diary and also save it on your Google Mail if possible. So I'll go to manual. So this is the next page. I know that you might not be seeing it. Yes. So but if you're seeing it, but I know that you won't be seeing it. So the 12 phrases here, you just need to write them down. So write them down and you go to the next page. You understand? So you go to the next page. So let me get it. You won't be able to screenshot it. So all that you need to do is to write it down, and if you have a second phone, you can snap it. Let me get it. So then you go to the next step where you'll be asked to select it accordingly as it is there. So it's 12. So you're going to be selecting it. In case you're not seeing it, that is exactly what you need to be doing. So select it accurately as it is on where you write it down, where you have the where you write it down. So I'm selecting mine now. So I'm done selecting it. So I'll click on verify. You click on verify. So you start up using wallet. So that is just all that you need to do to create your wallet. So after the creation, the next thing you need to do is please come to these three dots. Because the OPBNB is not here. It's not available. We are not using BNB. We are using OPBNB. So you click on that three dots and you click on manage wallet, manage coin. You click on it. Then you come to this point, search bar, to search for. You can search for OPBNB. You see it? Or you can search for BNB. So whichever one you put, just know that this is what you are looking for. So click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. It's added now. So that is it on how to create your wallet. Look at it here. So you can actually click here and also click on receive to copy your address. You understand? So in case you are on my WhatsApp already and you don't know how to get OPBNB coin, so you can contact me. I will get it on on Binance, because you cannot trade Naira. If you're in Nigeria, you can't trade Naira there. So you need to get it on your Bybit, get the coin on your Bybit, convert it to BNB so that the charges will be at 0.35. Send it to your Binance. I also convert it back to BNB. Okay, sorry, it's already on BNB. No more conversion from BNB from Binance. You copy this your address and send it to this place. You understand? So once you send it, I have done a video on how to do the activation and every other thing. So